Do you need to delete hard inquiries from your credit report but not sure how to go about it? Watch this entire video. I've got you covered. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott, and in today's video, I'm going to be giving you the information that you need to delete inquiries from your credit report. It is super simple, and in fact, I put together an entire guide for you guys that gives you the step-by-step instructions on how you can delete inquiries from your credit report as fast as 24 hours. I give you the script, I give you the game, and I also supply you with some sample template dispute letters that you can actually send in or even upload to places like Experian.com/upload, because we, for some reason, cannot dispute inquiries from these credit reporting agencies online. Of course, they're going to make it a little bit hard for us, but no worries. In my opinion, calling into the credit bureaus is going to be the fastest way to get these inquiries, which are probably preventing you from getting funding. Yes, if you have more than 4 inquiries on your credit report, it is going to prevent you or make it harder for you to get funding, especially from some of these more traditional banks that don't like to see that people have been credit shopping around. Now, in this guide, like I said, I give you everything from A to Z. All that you have to do is simply comment the word delete, and I will send you exclusive access for you to get this guide. It is less than what you would spend at Starbucks, guys, and I have to charge for this information. You know, normally I would give it to you for free, but I have to get rid of the tire kickers because you know what I say, if you knew better, you would do better, and that's why I give you this information, but I gotta make sure that I am working with the action takers, and those that invest are much more likely to take action and get success, guys. So I will send you the link, and this ebook includes everything that you need. I'm also going to include access to my credit kit, which has a ton of resources for credit repair, business credit, funding, you name it. It's got a ton of value in it, guys, and I am going to give you exclusive access to that credit kit for absolutely free when you get a copy of this inquiry deletion guide. And believe me, when I tell you this works, I use it for myself. I have people inside of the credit community that use it. And mind you, I was just getting feedback from one of our credit community members that used this same tactic to remove bankruptcies. He removed 3 bankruptcies from Experian using this same concept. So not only can this be used for inquiries, but you can also use it for collections, charge-offs, bankruptcies, repossessions, student loans, child support, anything that is on your credit report. You can use this same concept and apply it. The most important part is taking action. You have to be patient. If you feel like it's not working, hang up, call back, and talk to somebody else. But all of this information is unauthorized, and you are requesting that they block and delete this information immediately. The entire script is included in the guide, guys, just in case you get tongue twisted, but less is better. You don't need to over-explain yourself. You don't need to do anything further. If they ask if you've submitted an FTC report or a police report, yes, I have. Have you sent it in? Yes, I have. I just uploaded it. This is my 3rd call to you. I will have to get legal involved if I am not getting the results that are needed, because right now you are violating the law with your willful non-compliance. Sometimes you just have to be patient. You always want to treat the call agents with respect and kindness, ask them how they're doing, and of course, get them to get it deleted. I've talked to so many people where they're super friendly, super kind. They start, BSing with the phone agent, and the phone agent's super cool. Another quick hack is becoming a member of the credit bureaus. How do you become a member? Well, for example, Experian membership, you're basically just paying for credit monitoring and credit reports. But since you are one of their customers, you're going to get better better support from them. You're going to get better customer service from them. So you can call into their membership line and you can get transferred to the fraud department where they can actually help you get this fraudulent, unauthorized data deleted and blocked from your credit report. Again, guys, my name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed to the channel. Join the credit community if this is something that you are interested in, because inside of the credit community, we have a ton of different classes for you guys, and they are all accessible to everyone that joins. There is no upsells. There is no additional charge for watching master classes. We've had plenty of guest speakers come on and basically just validate everything that I teach you guys. For everything from personal credit, starting a credit repair business, how to get funding, how to build business credit, how to start your business, everything from A to Z. If this is something that you are interested in, make sure to join the credit community, guys, because not only do I teach you about credit, I teach you what to do with that credit so you can use OPM to create multiple streams of income, guys. So again, comment the word delete and I will send you an exclusive copy of my inquiry deletion guide where you can get inquiries deleted from your credit report as soon as 24 hours. All you have to do is take action. I'll see you next time.